Hello everyone, this is Kelly from Nanjing GS-mach. From today, we will make a continuous video to teach the customer how to installation the extruder and the connection the water, electricity and the gas. So first of all, we will teach you how to installation the water. Let's go. Hello everyone. For installation the water, we have two parts for the extruder. For the first one is the internet circulation water connection. Another one is the external cooling water connection. So first of all, we will introduce you how to installation and connect the internal cooling water system. First of all, we can have a look here. This is the internal cooling water to cool down the extruder. Yes, to cool down the extruder barrel. And this is also internal cooling water. For this, how to connection them and what's the function for this water tank? We will show you. Here, this is the extruder cooling pipe. This is the inlet cooling water. And this is the outlet cooling water. Use better to connect the inlet cooling water into the water pump. Yes, this pipe should be connected with the water pump to the inlet water. Yes, this is the up pipe. And this is the down pipe. The down pipe, the lower pipe, is connected to the small chiller. Yes, another internal cooling water connection system is for the gearbox. You must to cool down the gearbox temperature. Secondly, there has the small chiller here, so this chiller also need to connect with the water pipe. This is the inlet pipe, and this one is outlet pipe. Also be connected with this chiller. Yes, with this small chiller to cool down the gearbox. You can see the up pipe. The up pipe is inlet. The lower pipe is outlet to connect individual with this one. All this part is internal cooling water system. After checking this, we will have a look how to connection the external cooling water to cool down the whole system, including the water tank. Also needs the external cooling water. So we will show you how to connection external. Let's go. Hello everyone. Now we come to the outside of the workshop. So we will show you how to connection the external cooling water. And this is the cooling tower. So if you want to connection the external cooling water, you must have this one, the big water tank to cool down the whole system. And here has the pipe. You can have a look here. This is the inlet pipe. Inlet pipe is to cool down the extruder and the 5-meter water tank. And the up pipe is the water will be flow out into this small tank. And this small tank here we will connection the pump, the big water pump to push the water, the hot water into the cooling tower. After cooling tower, the big tap, the water, the cold water will be flowing to this big pump. So this is the circulation system, water system to cool down the temperature record down the temperature of the extruder, and record down the temperature of your water tank, the biometers water tank. All of them must be connected with the external system like this. Then you can make sure your machine have a very stable temperature and have a very stable qualities of your granules. All this video is introduced and teach you how to connection and how to installation the water circulation system. Next video, we will show you how to installation the power. And see you later.